Bakit kung sino pa ang nagmahal ng totoo, siya pa ang hindi minahal pabalik? Maraming nagtatanong din sa akin ito simula nung nakita yung post ko. Pero yung lagi kong sagot, ang sakit 'di ba? Ikaw yung nagbigay ng lahat. Ikaw yung naniwala. Ikaw yung umintindi kahit hindi ka naiintindihan. Ikaw yung lumaban para sa inyong dalawa. Pero sa huli, ikaw din ang iniwan. And you keep asking yourself, bakit ganun? Bakit? Kung sino pa yung nagmahal ng totoo, siya pa yung hindi pinili. Here's the truth. It's not because you weren't enough. It's not because your love was wrong. It's not because you were too much. It's not because you gave your love to someone who didn't know how to receive it. Sometimes, people pray for real love. Even I do. But when it finally arrives, they don't know what to do with it. Because real love, it requires effort, commitment, and maturity. And not everyone is ready for that. Hindi ikaw ang problema. Hindi mo kasalanan na nagmahal ka ng totoo. In fact, that's your greatest strength. Kasi kahit masakit, kahit walang kasiguraduhan, pinili mong magmahal ng buo. Walang tinira para sa sarili. But now, it's time to choose you. It's time to give that same love to the one person who's been needing it most, which is yourself. Dahil sa dami ng binigay mong pagmamahal, hindi mo kailangang maghabol para lang mahalin pabalik. One day, someone will come into your life and they won't be confused. They won't hesitate. They'll choose you fully, freely, and without any conditions. But for now, keep your heart soft but wiser. Keep loving but start with you.